What is this crap here? Oh wow, yes. Here we go. This is much better. There we go. This is how you do intro. Yes, it's wonderful. Very wonderful. Look at these special Hollywood effects. That guy is beautiful. Moves like Jagger. Amazing.
Hello,
Yes.
and today this is my makeup
Fashion.
makeup tutorial.
Makeup tutorial specialist. And here she goes with her face looking around. Yes. This is the very cheap makeup she finds somewhere, corner store. Smearing it around. Look at this. She's pointing at colors like we're stupid. Okay. Oh, wow. Look at that shelf in the back. I wonder who built that. Smearing it around. And I do want you guys to take a note. More color showing. She is smearing this around on very, 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 very hooded eyelid. Very complicated moves here. Makeup will not even show. Okay. What is this tiny mirror she uses? She is no professional. You should subscribe to other channels. Okay. That move was of an amateur. Okay, now the corner smear. Very, very cornery. Wow. Is there anything else on TV? Looks like she has a bald spot too. And here is the Halloween eyelashes. Have you heard of the Halloween store? Yes, I think this is turning into a Halloween tutorial. Scary, scary business. Now she is blotching and smearing the brown smudge. There's that bald spot again. Smearing this on with a poofy brush. This is a very ugly brush. I wish I would die. Okay. This is drawing lines on her face like she is ready to kill some Somalian children. Yes, I kind of like the way the look is coming together a little bit, but fashion is 100% better. And this, my friend, you see this tool she uses here, most of you call it a sponge, but this is truly a heart of a flamingo from my native country, Spain. We use the flamingo heart to pat the makeup smooth. We get a lot of use of one flamingo heart. Smeary, painty, paint. There we go, yes. All right. So now she's brushing. Oh, this, my friend, this brush is very special. This is made of ferret tail. That is a ferret tail brush. Once again with the tiny amateur mirror and the corner store makeup. Overall, I say it's a pretty good job, but fashion does a way better job than this. Oh, what is this quick zoom? Oh, that was hideous. It seemed like bottom teeth or something. That was horrible. I might have to rewind it and watch it again. Okay, a little slow paint. My friends. Okay, this is great. This is coming together. Yeah, that move sucked. Sorry. Now she's looking there. Smear that on, brush that around like that really fast. Spraying mongoose sweat on her face. Oh, now with the peacock fan. Oh, more makeup. Oh, look at these. How much paint will she spackle onto this face? Look at them eyeballs. Wow. Those are the eyes of a crackhead right there, I see. Oh, now the lips. Oh, look like she has been punched in the mouth by Mike Tyson. Okay, she smears that around. More lip stuff. Alright, I give this look A plus for effort. It is coming together really great. Anyway, guys. Oh, 1 minute, she tells us. Oh, look at that. Look at the transformation with the Bob Marley hair. Now she's going to look around like she's really mystical, thinking to herself, I have to shit right now, but I have to finish my video. Look down and bye, guys.